hearty welcome to all the members of Annual Panel Inspection Team 2020-21. I take this privilege to present the virtual tour of computer labs and e-classroom to the team members. Respected members, welcome to the labs of KV number 1 Rewa. Let's go for a virtual tour. Honorable members, I begin with Senior Secondary Computer Lab of KV number 1 Rewa. The lab is just besides the principal office and the main office of KV number 1 Rewa. We have a running website number 1 rewa.kvs.ac.in. Equipped with 3 labs, the ICT structure of KV number 1 Rewa is very strong. All the 3 labs have fiber connections of BSNL and internet is being supplied everywhere. In this senior secondary lab, we have a set of 25 computer systems in which the students of class 11th and 12th normally attend their classes. In the free periods, teachers also utilize this lab. I possess a mini computer library also, the set of my own collections and few magazines that I present to the students to read if they will in their free period. The students of other classes also visit this lab. Now let us come to the secondary computer lab. This lab is one of the newest lab of KV number 1 Rewa, inaugurated on 9th of July 2019. This lab too possesses 25 systems and students from 6th to 10th are attending their classes in this lab. The lab is having a projector along with other equipment and the dedicated fiber optics line. Internet is being supplied to this lab along with the nearby e-classroom to this point only. All the students feel very nice to have a separate lab of class 6 to 8. Now let's see the e-classroom equipments. KVS has provided 20 e-classroom facilities to KV number 1 Rewa, 10 having the interactive board facility and 10 with the iPads. All the events are arranged graciously during various times of the year and students are utilizing all these facilities. Moreover, the 10 iPads are issued to different teachers, subject teachers, and they are utilizing it judiciously for the online teaching in current scenario. The pictures show how the students are very nicely attending the ICT based classroom. All the 3 labs are being maintained by me, that is the in charge, along with the help of my computer instructors. After these e-classrooms, I would feel honored to take you all to the primary computer lab too. So, I would like to show the primary computer lab now. This lab is especially meant for the primary class children, primary class students, and is in the primary classroom building only. This lab contains 30 systems in a large computer room, computer laboratory. It is very well constructed as per the benchmark of computer labs. So here the journey ends, and thank you very much.